Today we are going to see Unit 1 Lecture 2 for Business Statistics 3. The first topic in the Business Statistics 3 is Game Theory. This is the second lecture for Game Theory. The name of the topic is Pure and Mixed Strategy Games, Examples and Problems. See the example based on saddle point. For the following payoff matrix for firm A, determine the optimal strategies for both the firms, firm A and firm B, and value of the game. Firm A has got 4 strategies, A1, A2, A3, A4. Firm B has got 4 strategies, 5 strategies, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. And the payoff matrix is given to us. According to the procedure, we have to write row minima at the side of the table. First row 9, 3, 1, 8, 0. The minimum value is 0. 6, 5, 4, 6, 7. Minimum value is 4. 2, 4, 3, 3, 8. Minimum value is 2. 3, 6, 2, 2, 1. Minimum value is 1. So among these minimum values, pick up the maximum value, put an arrow in front of maximum value. We call this element as maximin. So in this example, 4 becomes maximin. Now we will find we will write column maxima at the bottom of the table. 9, 6, 2, 3. Maximum value is 9. 3, 5, 4, 6. Maximum value is 6. 1, 4, 3, 2. Maximum value is 4. 8, 6, 3, 2. Maximum value is 8. 0, 7, 8, 1. Maximum value is 8. So amongst these maximum values, pick up minimum value and call it as minimax. Put an arrow and call that this value as minimax. So 4 is minimax and 4 is maximin. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Therefore, optimal strategy for A is A2, that is 0, 1, 0, 0. And optimal strategy for B is B3, that is 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And value of the game is 4. So, as value of the game is positive, player B makes payment to A in this game. Second example, solve the following game. Player A has got 3 strategies, A1, A2, A3. Player B has got 4 strategies, B1, B2, B3, B4. And the payoff matrix is given. We have to find the saddle point first. So write down row minima at the side of the table. -5, 3, 1, 10. The minimum value is -5. 5, 5, 4, 6. Minimum value is 4. 4, -2, 0, -5. Minimum value is -5. So among these minimum values, pick up the maximum value. Call that value as maximin. So 4 is maximin. After getting maximin value, write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. -5, 5, 4. Maximum value is 5. 3, 5, -2. Maximum value is 5. 1, 4, 0. Maximum value is 4. 10, 6, -5. Maximum value is 10. So amongst these maximum values, pick up the minimum value. Put an arrow. Call this value as minimax. So maximin value is 4. Minimax value is 4. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Therefore, optimal strategy for A is A2, that is 0, 1, 0. And for B is B3, that is 0, 0, 1, 0. Value of the game is 4, which is positive. Therefore, B makes payment to A in this game. Next example. Solve the following game to determine the optimal strategies for player A and B. Player A has got 4 strategies: A1, A2, A3, A4. Player B has got 3 strategies: B1, B2, B3. So the first step is to see whether saddle point exists or not. So write down row minima at the side of the table. -4, -12, 10. Minimum value is -12. 0, -2, 6. Minimum value is -2. 7, -3, 9. Minimum value is -3. 11, -5, -4. Minimum value is -5. After getting the minimum values, pick up the maximum value amongst this minimum. Put an arrow. Call that value as maximin. So -12, -2, -3, -5. The maximum value is -2. So we call this value as maximin. After getting maximin value, write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. -4, 0, 7, 11. Maximum value is 11. -12, -2, -3, -5. Maximum value is -2. 10, 6, 9, -4. Maximum value is 10. So amongst these maximums, pick up the minimum value. So -2 becomes minimax. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Optimal strategy for A is A2, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, and optimal strategy for B is B2, that is 0, 1, 0. Value of the game is -2, which is less than 0. Therefore, player A will make payment to B in this game. Next example. A company management and the labor union are negotiating a 3-year settlement. Each of these has 4 strategies. First strategy, hard and aggressive bargaining. Second strategy, reasoning and logical approach. Third strategy, legalistic strategy. Fourth strategy, conciliatory approach. The cost of the company are given for every pair of the strategy. Every pair of the strategy choice. So union strategies 1, 2, 3, 4 and company strategies 1, 2, 3, 4. And the payoff matrix is given. So write down row minima at the side of the table. 20, 15, 12, 35. Minimum value is 12. 25, 14, 8, 10. Minimum value is 8. 40, 2, 10, 5. Minimum value is 2. -5, 4, 11, 0. Minimum value is -5. So among these minimums, pick up the maximum value. Call that value as maximin. So 12 is maximin value. Then go for column maxima. Write down column maxima at the bottom of the table. 20, 25, 40, -5. Maximum value is 40. 15, 14, 2, 4. Maximum value is 15. 12, 8, 10, 11. Maximum value is 12. 35, 10, 5, 0. Maximum value is 35. So among these maximums, pick up the minimum value and call it as minimax. So 12 becomes minimax and 12 is maximin. So as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. Therefore, it is a pure strategy game. Value of the game is 12. Therefore, company will always adopt strategy 3, legalistic strategy, and union will always adopt strategy 1, that is hard and aggressive bargaining. Next example. Find the saddle point and hence solve the following game. Player A has got 3 strategies, A1, A2, A3. Player B has got 3 strategies, B1, B2, B3. To see whether saddle point exists or not, we will find the row minima values. 15, 2, 3, minimum value is 2. 6, 5, 7, minimum value is 5. -7, 4, 0, minimum value is -7. Among these minimums, see the maximum value. 5 is maximin. Then go for column maxima. 15, 6, -7, maximum value is 15. 2, 5, 4, maximum value is 5. 3, 7, 0, maximum value is 7. So amongst these maximum values, pick up the minimum value. So 5 becomes minimum value. We call this value as minimax. So put an arrow, call the value as minimax. So 5 is minimax and 5 is maximin. Therefore, as maximin is equal to minimax, saddle point exists. The optimal strategy for A is A2, that is 0, 1, 0. And optimal strategy for B is B2, that is 0, 1, 0. Value of the game is 5, which is greater than 0. Therefore, B will make payment to A in this game. Till now we have seen the pure strategy games. Now we have to see mixed strategy games. When for a given game we do not get a saddle point, that is maximin is not equal to minimax, it is a case of mixed strategy game. Here the players mix the different strategies with certain probabilities or proportions to be found out, so as to optimize the expected payoff. We use the arithmetical method to find the solution of 2x2 game with mixed strategy, that is without saddle point, as follows. Consider the payoff matrix. There are 2 rows and 2 columns, hence it is called as 2x2 matrix. For player A, there are 2 strategies A1, A2. Player B, there are 2 strategies B1, B2. And the elements are given as A11, A12, A21, A22. Now we will assume that player A will adopt strategy A1 with probability P and strategy A2 with probability 1 minus P. Similarly, player B will adopt strategy B1 with probability Q and strategy B2 with probability 1 minus Q. So let P is equal to probability that A uses strategy A1. 1 minus P is equal to probability that A uses strategy A2. Q is nothing but probability that B uses strategy B1. 1 minus Q is equal to probability that B uses strategy B2. We have to find the values of P, 1 minus P, Q and 1 minus Q. The formula for P is given as P is equal to A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. Where formula for Q is given by A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. And formula for value of the game is given by A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. Solve the following game. Example. So the game is 2x2 game. First step is to see whether saddle point exists or not. So we will see the row minima values. 3, 5, minimum value is 3. 4, 1, minimum value is 1. Amongst minimum, pick up the maximum. Call this value as maximin. So 3 is maximin. Go for column maxima. 3 and 4, maximum value is 4. 5 and 1, maximum value is 5. Among these maximums, pick up the minimum value. Call it as minimax. So minimax value becomes 4. Maximin value is 3. So as maximin is not equal to minimax, saddle point do not exist. Hence, it is a mixed strategy game. We have to find the values of P, 1 minus P, Q, 1 minus Q, and value of the game. So write down the formula for probability P. So A22 minus A21 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. So if you observe the table, value of A22 is 1. So 1 minus 4 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So replace all the values in the formula and find the final answer. 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3. 3 plus 1 minus 4 minus 5 becomes minus 5. So value of P becomes 3 by 5. Naturally 1 minus P can be calculated as 1 minus 3 by 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. Hence, optimal strategies for A is P 1 minus P, that is 3 by 5 comma 2 by 5, or we can say 60% and 40%. Then get the value of Q, use the formula A22 minus A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12 is equal to, so if you observe the table, this is A22, this is A12. So 1 minus 5 divided by the denominator is same. So 1 minus 5 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So it becomes minus 4 upon minus 5, which is nothing but 4 by 5. And 1 minus Q can be calculated as 1 minus 4 by 5 becomes 1 by 5. So optimal strategy for B is Q 1 minus Q, that is 4 by 5 comma 1 by 5, or 80% 20%. Then we will find the value of the game by using the formula V is equal to A11 into A22 minus A21 into A12 divided by A11 plus A22 minus A21 minus A12. If you replace all the values in the formula and make the calculations, the final value is coming to be, so 3 into 1 minus 4 into 5 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 4 minus 5. So this becomes minus 17, 3 minus 20 becomes minus 17 divided by minus 5. So final answer becomes 17 by 5. The value of the game is greater than 0. Therefore, P will make payment to A in this game. Thus, A should mix the strategies so as to use the strategy A1 for 3/5 of the times, that is 60% of the times, and strategy A2 for 2/5 of the times, that is 40% of the time. This would result in an average gain of maximum 17 by 5 units per play to A. Similarly, the mixed strategies of B, of using B1 for 4/5 of the times or 80% of time, and B2 for 1/5 of the time, that is 20% of time. Minimum loss of 17 by 5 units per play to him. So B will make payment to A in this game.